Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty potato samosas. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So the first step, I've used 4 large potatoes and I've cut them into slices as you can see in the video. Sprinkle some salt and pour some water, then cover to let the potatoes to boil until soft. After approximately 10 to 15 minutes, your potatoes are ready. Remove them from the heat and drain the water. The next step, you're going to place a medium pan on a medium heat. Then you're going to add the potatoes, then sprinkle some salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of Garamasala, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and lastly squeeze 1 lime and mix everything well and nice. Mix the spices with the vegetables very well and let them cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Lastly, you're going to add 2 medium grated carrots and 1 large slice of onion and mix everything well and nice and let them cook on a medium heat for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. After approximately 5 to 7 minutes, your potatoes are ready and remove them from the heat and serve them in a bowl. Place the potatoes in a medium bowl and let them to cool down completely. Meanwhile, we're going to make our flour pastes. In a small bowl, you're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of wheat flour and a bit of water and mix the 2 ingredients very well. The consistency of the flour paste should be like this. Then our next step, you're going to cut our samosa sheets into 3. The recipe of this samosa sheet is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to check out this recipe. Fold the samosa into 3. Using a scissors, you're going to cut the samosa sheet into 3 as you can see in the video. When folding the samosa, you can use approximately 2 to 3 sheets according to how large the samosa you would want. I'm going to use 2 samosa sheets and attach them using a flour paste. Then afterwards, fold it into a triangular shape. Then you're going to add the potato mixture. Once you're done, fold it into a triangular shape as you can see in the video step by step. And when you're at the end, attach it once more with the flour paste and your samosa is ready. Once you're done with the samosa, continue with the rest until you're completely done. And I'm done folding my samosas. You can freeze the samosas or you can fry them immediately, that's up to you. In a frying pot, you're going to pour some oil. Once the oil is hot, you're going to dip the samosa and deep fry the samosa until the samosas are nicely fried and golden brown. Once your samosas are nicely fried and have this amazing golden brown color, then your samosas are ready and remove them from the oil and serve them on a plate. And our tasty potato samosas are ready, as you can see in the video. They're nicely fried and very tasty. I'm going to cut a piece so you can able to see how the inside of the samosa looks. Like this potato samosa, it's very crunchy and very tasty. You can eat along with some tamarind sauce or lime juice and enjoy your potato samosas. In terms of spices, I've used my homemade Rukias Swahili spices. For those interested, I'll put my contact and my Instagram account so you can able to check out these 16 homemade Swahili spices. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.